Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 7.5 question number 1. Write these fractions appropriately as additions or subtractions. Let us find first the fractions, right? Let us find the fractions. That is, here you see this fraction is 1 is shaded, that means 1. This fraction is 1 by how many is total parts 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is 1 by 5. Right? Now see this one. Two parts are shaded, that is 2 by how many parts total are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That it is 2 by 5. And this part is here you see 1, 2, 3. 3 are shaded. 3 are shaded. And total parts is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 by 5. Right? That means if we add 1 by 5 with 2 by 5, LCM is 5, 1 plus 2, that is 3 by 5. That means if we add 1 by 5 with 2 by 5, we are getting 3 by 5. Here you see, that means here we have to add this one. Right? Here we can show the addition. Here also. Here you see the addition. How we are adding. That is 1 by 5. Question number A. We are adding this one 1 by 5. 1 by 5 plus 2 by 5, 2 by 5. Here you see the LCM is 5 and 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3 by 5 is equal to 3 by 5. Right? Therefore, this is 3 by 5. Right? Now, question number B. Question number B is, we write the fractions first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means 5 parts are shaded. That means the fraction will be 5 and total part is 5, that is 5 by 5. Right? And here you see 1, 2, 3 part is shaded. Therefore, it is 3 by how many total parts? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 by 5. And here you see the fraction is 1, 2. 2 parts are shaded, that is 2. And total part is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 by 5. Right? That means here you see the denominator is same. Therefore, 5 minus 3 is 2. Therefore, you can subtract it. Right? Here we are subtracting. Here you see how we subtract you see. We are subtracting, that is 5 by 5. 5 by 5 minus 3 by 5. 3 by 5. Then what you are getting, you see, 5 is the LCM. 5 is the LCM. This is 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3 is 2. That is 2 by 5. Right? Here the answer is 2 by 5. Therefore, this will be subtraction. Right? Therefore, here we will find the subtraction. That means it will be minus. Right? Now, question number C. Question number C, you see how many fractions are there? 2 are shaded and total is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 by 6. And this one is 1, 2, 3. 3 parts are shaded. 3 parts are shaded. And how many total parts? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3 by 6. And this one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 parts are shaded. And total parts is 6. Right? Here you see the denominator is same. Therefore, if we add 2 plus 3, it is 5 by 6. Let us add this one. What we are getting, you see, if we are adding this one, that is 2 by 6, 2 by 6 plus 3 by 6, 3 by 6, this is 2 by 6, LCM is 6, 2 plus 3, 2 plus 3, that is equal to 5 by 6, 5 by 6. Here you see, this one is 5 by 6. The answer is 5 by 6. Therefore, it will be plus. Therefore, here this sign will be plus, right? Therefore, it is sign will be plus. Right? In this way, you can find. Let us take once again. This is 1 by 5. This is 2 by 5. Denominator is same. That is 2 plus 1, 3. Therefore, the resultant is 3 by 5. Here you see, this is 5 by 5. This is 3 by 5. Denominator is same. That means 5 minus 3 is 2. That is 2 by 5. Here also 2 by 6. And this is 3 by 6. If we add the numbers, since the denominator are same, 2 plus 3 is 5. Therefore, the answer is 5 by 6.